ಮಂಡ್ಲ ಕೊಳಕ್ ಮಂಡ್ಲ ಹೊರ ನೋಡಿ. Hello everyone, this is me Mohammad Umar, a rescuer from Mysore. I've got a call from Brahmapura, which is opposite to Payana Car Museum, which is on Mysore-Bangalore highway. Reporting there's a snake inside the house. So let's see what snake we have there, and once reaching I'll continue the video. So we have reached the location. This is Yavurana idu? Kanastawadi. It is towards Mysore-Bangalore, opposite to Payana Car Museum. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದಾ? ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ?
ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
ಇರಿ ಸರ್. ಓ ಮಂಡ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರಸಲ್ ಸ್ವೈಪರ್, ಕೊಳಕ್ ಮಂಡ್ಲ. ಪೊರೆನೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ನಾಗರಾವ್ ಪೊರೆ. ಅದು ಪೈಪ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಥರ. ಸರ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ. ಅದು ಏಟಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. So you can see the infection here. It's an infection, and it has also infection near the neck region. So we have the skin shedding of the Razal Swiper. Sorry, this is the Razal Swiper, Mandla Daiva. So this is the skin shedding of the Razal Swiper. It's probably very old because it is completely dried, and it's an adult one only. So these are the ventral scales of the Razal Swiper, and you see this one. These are the scales, upper scales. This is completely dried out. Back to nature. This has a bad infection, and it is very much agitated. And that's it for today, guys. And if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family, and put your thoughts in the comment section. Until then, see you.